everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am again going to review a newly launched product by Kiro Beauty. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned till the end of this video. So Kiro Beauty recently launched their Sleek Stick Luxe Matte Lipstick and I ordered from their official website. Now let me tell you, there was some offer going on. If you buy one lipstick, you'll get another lipstick free of your choice. You can choose the shade you want to, and if you buy two lipstick, you will get at $12.99. So I got two for me. I also got some freebies here and there. Let me just show you. So yes, with my lipstick, I even got this eye patch free and a sample of foundation. So I got this foundation sample card with my order and it comes in this three shade: light, medium and deep. I was so interested to try out this foundation, but I wasn't sure of my shade. I will see which of the shades work for me, and if it does work, then I will get a full size and I will review it on my channel. So interested to try out this brand because I am trying out Kiro Beauty first time in my channel. Yes, I've never tried this brand, but I was very intrigued to try many of their products, their serum foundation, their compact powders, many of their lipstick, lip lacquer, but the prices are little bit on the higher side. So you can compare it to L'Oreal or Revlon or any other drugstore brand. So Kiro Beauty is little bit on the higher side and they are absolutely Indian made brand. So yes, let's get started with today's video. So I picked up two shades from their newly launched Sleek Stick Luxe Matte Lipstick, and it comes in 8 beautiful nude shades that is going to cater each and every skin tones in India, and you get 2.4 grams of product for rupees 1000 each with 3 years of shelf life. Now is the time to show you the packaging. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, which is really bold, beautiful, vibrant, and it comes in this attractive, eye-catching orange packaging, which I really love, you guys. So my first impression, the packaging is damn gorgeous, and you can see it's mentioned Kiro Beauty Sleek Stick Luxe Matte Lipstick. Now it is a skincare infused makeup which is 100% vegan. It is a PETA certified brand and they are paraben and mineral oil free, even carmine free. Also you will find the shade name on the bottom of the outer packaging. Now is the time to look at the inner packaging, which is even more beautiful. Alright, so this is how the inner packaging looks like. Now inner packaging is again very beautiful. It comes in a vibrant red color, which is really very attractive, you guys. Like, it will take all the attention if you just keep it on your vanity, and it has some holographic design going on. This is a retractable packaging. So you can see the arrow, you will have to twist it clockwise and the product comes out. Let me show you how much quantity do you actually get. As I've already mentioned, you get 2.4 grams of product, which is quite a good amount of product that you get, and this much amount of product is going to take me ages to finish it off, and this is one of the shade that I really loved on my brown skin. So this was all about the packaging details, and now is the time to share my thoughts with you guys. Whenever I try any new product, be it makeup or skincare, I always try it on myself first, give it few days how actually it feels, and only then I review it on my channel, because I'm not an influencer, I'm a content creator. I love makeup, I love to play with makeup, and that is the reason whenever I am reviewing any product on my channel, it has to be good, you guys. I have no issues with any of the brand. I don't bash any brand, but it is just the product they have launched. If I did not like something, I will say I did not like it, and if I love something, I will straight away say that yes, I'm loving these products. And oh, I forgot to mention that I am running a 30 days lipstick challenge on my YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, please have a look. Now I have been watching these kind of contents and I was really loving it. So before me getting into this challenge, I thought to myself whether I have 30 lipstick with me in my collection, because I'm not a lipstick kind of person. I'm a base makeup girl. I love my foundation, my concealer, my primers and everything. But when I went through my lipstick collection, still I don't have 30 lipstick with me, but yes, we are going to take this challenge, we are going to fulfill this challenge. So please support me, you guys. So coming to my final thoughts, these lipsticks are extremely pigmented. Kiro Beauty wasn't kidding when they actually said that these lipsticks are going to provide you with one swipe application, which I totally agree, because in one swipe it did cover my dark pigmented lips. And the shades that I picked up, wasn't sure enough whether it is going to suit me, but when I tried it on myself, it does look beautiful, you guys. So I picked up one nude and one deep shade, and if you are of my skin tone, you can take these lipstick as your shade reference. I'm sure it is going to suit you. The formulation is absolutely velvety and creamy and glides onto the lips like butter, giving you a comfortable matte finish. Also, it is infused with hyaluronic acid and peptides to give some hydration to the lips, also to give an illusion of fuller, firmer and plumped lips. I did not feel any discomfort while wearing this lipstick. I did try it for a couple of hours. For 4 hours it did stay on my lips, and I was having some light meals here and there. Through my munching and everything, the lipstick was still there. It left a very beautiful even tint behind, but once I had my heavy meal at the end of the day, the lipstick was completely gone. So it is going to stay for good 4 to 5 hours, and reapplication is also very easy. I can say these lipsticks are absolutely transfer proof, but before that you will have to allow it some time to set it out completely, and once it is set, it is not going to move, it is not going to budge or smudge, and I did not notice any kind of bleeding. Today I have one of the shades on my lip, and I have this glass. Let me just show you whether it actually transfers or not. So there is very minimal, you can say very negligible transfer. It might be because of the lip liner that I have. So yes, this lipstick is going to be put throughout the day. It is going to be there on your lips, and it is perfect for your everyday wear. So Kiro Beauty did not disappoint me with their new launch whatsoever, and now I know why people love this brand so much. I'm really tempted to try out other makeup products from this brand, and I want you guys to help me out. Let me know in the comments what you want me to try next, and definitely I will come up with a video soon. And now is the time to get into the swatches. You already know what happens in my swatch video. I will give you the swatch, one side with makeup, other side without any makeup, so that you can have a fair idea how both these shades looks on my skin tone. So let's get started. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.